Hello viewers, are you facing cannot install WhatsApp Messenger error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, try installing WhatsApp using the Gmail account that was logged into the Google Play Store when you uninstalled WhatsApp. So go to Play Store, then click on profile icon, then click on switch account. Now switch to that account and then try to install WhatsApp. Now see WhatsApp Messenger is downloading and problem solved successfully. If this method not working for you, then long press on Play Store app, then open Play Store app info, click on little eye icon, then go to storage option, then click on clear data, click on delete. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device by pressing power button. After this step, I hope cannot install WhatsApp Messenger error problem will be solved successfully.